We're called Last Chance Train simply because of our love affair with trains, I guess. But anyway, that's not the only reason. There's a lot of metaphors. The train is bound for glory is a great metaphor of us going to heaven. And that's really... But we also like trains. And as you can see, Kurt loves to photograph trains. And the other thing is, of course, his nature pics are amazing. But he actually has a book published on trains. And that's one of them that he did. And I want to tell you a story, I want to tell you the story about that. I told Kurt, I said, I love your trains. So I said, why don't we put like a video or something, in like a slideshow, your pictures, and put them on YouTube? I said, we need to do some kind of, I don't know, just some song, and we'll play the music to it. And he goes, okay. So he comes back and says, hey, well, this train's bound for glory. I said, yeah, that'd be good. Do the Peter, Paul, and Mary style or something. I said, well, we listened to it. I said, let's do our own. So I said, I'll work with it. I'll play with it. So he came back, and we came up with this version of it. Well, out of that came an idea for a short video that we did. Doug, who's doing the video right now, did the camera work. Him and Tom Mack did the camera work. And we did this video that's on YouTube, and it's called Grace Train. So that came that idea. So we did a short, and out of that came Grace Train. Grace train, leave on this station soon. Engineer has purchased a ticket for you. Get on board, hear what he says, and yes, it's true. But keep your regrets. Oh, Grace train, leave on the station. Grace train, leave on the station soon. Engineer purchased a ticket for you. Get on board, hear what he says. If you take this train, leave your regrets. Oh, Grace train, leave on the station soon. This train is bound to glory. This train, this train is bound to glory. This train, get on board, hear what he says. If you take this train, leave your regrets. Oh, Grace train, leave on this station soon. Oh, Grace train, leave on this station soon. Oh, Grace train, just leave on this station soon. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. Don't take any but the rights and the holy. This train is bound for glory. This train don't carry no liars. This train don't carry no liars. This train don't carry no liars, no hypocrites and no high flyers. This train is bound for glory. This train. The saints are praising Jesus riding this train. The saints are praising Jesus riding this train. The glory. Don't take any but the righteous and the holy. This train is bound for glory. This train. This train is bound for glory. This train. This train is bound for glory. This train. Jesus says all aboard. Just take me, receive me, say, Lord. This train is bound for glory. This train. Oh, this train is bound for glory. This train. This train is bound for glory. This train. Jesus says all aboard. Just take me, receive me, say, Lord. This train is bound for glory. This train. Oh, this train is bound for glory. This train. Yeah, this train is bound for glory. Just put your trust in Jesus, 'cause he wants his train full of souls. And he says, all aboard. This train is bound for glory. This train. Thank you.